It was just not quite enough. That is the magic number.
Oh yeah. That's nice and deep.
Beat me to it.
All right, here. Let's do the old switcheroo.
Oh, yes.
Get that smaller profile.
There you go.
away.
Jesus. Not a catalytic converter in this town. Raw muff.
Get the rim tape with that bad boy as well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so they're munching on little riparian berries and then eating a bunch of rocks, and then they can't fly around, and then I walk up and shoot them.
Yeah.
I'm brutal.
I'm excited.
I mean, I've heard legends of people just like literally killing them with like a stone. Like just picking up a rock and just beaming them.
Yeah.
In Idaho, you can legally hunt them with sticks and stones.
Right.
That's awesome.
Insane.
Looks like a nice fit so far.
So far, so good, Mitch Pam. Let's see. Get this little tubulus in there. God damn it.
Sure enough, punctured it. Damn it.
I mean, that's what it sounded like to you, right?
Yeah.
That's punctured. She gone.
You have an extra?
I think so, actually.
You gonna subscribe to the channel or what?
Not enough subscribers for you?
You're probably just on TikTok anyway, right?
In this situation, Nick, we say smooth like eggs.
Smooth like eggs, my friend.
A little bit of that grease on there. This anti-seize lube.
Don't want this thing seasoned.
You don't want it seasoned. Just a thin coat, that's all you need. Friction is a man's first enemy.
It'll definitely loosen up. If you give it a smack or two with like a wrench.
Smack it with a wrench? The old tap or smack?
Whack, 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 whack. Chain, you know?
A little bit of that.
Sounds insane. Why would I?
Whack, whack, whack.
He did it to mine.
My chain.
He was whacking away at mine like the other
Gets
episode.
it to a nice, loose, tight tension.
Everybody gets
Well,
a
your
chain
bike is loose as all.
Yeah, I know. My
Sloppy
bike's
hell.
yeah, it's
That's what
super
happened
loose.
there.
I put it on loose 7 years ago and I haven't touched it.
Okay. I don't want to whack my chain. I like my chain.
No whacking. Just a couple whacks. There you go.
That being said, it looks as though it does fit.
Looks awesome.
Nice, dude. Yeah, that's gonna be it.
It's gonna be a sweet luck changer.
Yeah, I
Is that
kind of see
rim
it.
or is that tire?
It's probably both. I don't know if it's actually more stable or if I just want it to feel more stable, so it is.
Did you feel any like obtuseness in your rim or whatever?
Not.
Yeah.
Nah, I mean, I don't think so.
Nice.
So should we do the Frenchtown brew? Anyone got a better plan? That could be our first stop at least, then we could figure out what to do from there.
It's a nice ride over there.
Yeah.
Once you get out of town.